since this is a budget session, or whether this is just a namesake question, and what you speak needs to be, what you preach needs to be shown on action. Action म्हणजे कितें? हे intention of this letter to write to the speaker. Number 1 point, that all the opposition MLAs should be given sufficient time through the instruments for the betterment of the state and its people. आता जेन्ना आज एक मुद्दो जालो example, you can imagine there will be demand of grants. So when there are demands, practically 11 ministers and chief minister who's doing golden jubilee shortly, I've been told that maybe there are some more portfolios he might want to take in the few days to come. So this golden jubilee boy will discuss his portfolios in one day. प्रत्येक डिमांडाक 2 मिनटां पावसाले हाका 2 वर जायी. So the opposition should get ample amount of time to discuss these demands. दुसरो पॉइंट जे आज बाब विरेश बोरकराक मॅन हँडल केलो, ज्या पद्दतीन ताका त्या स्टेप्सांतल्यान देंवन हाडलो, action, and there has to be a debate on the episode, and the chief minister needs to tell us, and the honorable speaker needs to force him on the act of dragging an MLA who is an elected representative, and the house was called and he was doing his duty of raising questions. आज जे एक डिबेट जावपाक जाय म्हणून जायना. आमी जेन्ना आमकां बाब फेर्दीन रिबेलान बिल एक दिलें आनी 16 तारीख फेब्रुवारीचे हें बिल आमी टेबल केल्लें 16 फेब्रुवारी, कित्याक I got it in my hand on 16th. Some of their representatives came, after which on 19th February there was a letter. This letter is written by sent to me by the Secretary Legislative, and this Secretary Legislative letter says कि I am directed to forward a copy of the private member's bill received from leader of opposition. The same may be vetted and draft duly corrected and put in format of a bill to be introduced in the House, whether the same meets the requirements to be introduced in the Goa Legislative Assembly. The same may be forwarded to the Secretariat by 2nd March. So, ये bill जे आमी दिलेले ते मी सांगला, direction दिलेले आसा, the Goa Protection Agricultural Land Bill of 2026. By 2nd, it has to be, the government needs to send their clarification. Now, ह्या बिलाचेर discussion जावपाकूच जाय, कित्याक हे section 39A पळय हा, हे रद्द जावपाक जाय. So this forum, if the chief minister जेन्ना सांगतालो, this is the correct forum to be debated, then you have to allow this bill. This bill asks for the scrapping under vetting procedure. Otherwise, you all come with an amendment and scrap this particular bill. They come with the cabinet resolution, scrap it in the interest also. ये पहिले सध्या जे bill आम घाताय, इतली bill हेच्या होणे आमी जे घातलेले, केन्ना on record ते हाणय. So this is a strategy, and I've got a written confirmation from Secretary Legislature that 2nd March बो तेंका reply दिवची. So हेजेरय आमी स्पीकराक सांगतले. तिसरे, जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री डेकोरमाचे उलयता, एकलो तेगेलो मंत्री आत आलोयतालो लास्ट सेशनाक, आनी आमी एक ईमेल बरयल्ले 26 जानेवारीक, आनी ऑनरेबल स्पीकराक जे ईमेल बरयल्ले तेजेर आजून रिप्लाय ना. सो तिगा आमी कितें क्रिकेट खेळपा वयताय, आत आलोवपा फावो जाता, ओ फक्त रुलिंगाचे मनीस आत आलोवपा शकताय. हे आत तुमी बोर्डसान दवरा, ही दादागिरी चलची ना, ही लोकशाय. This is not a market. So this honorable speaker needs to tell us on the decorum. He has not replied to my email as well. This is also a point that I have put in the letter to regarding the BAC letter. I have still not got a reply. Suspension of rules jepot kote. This suspension of rules needs to stop. Why are you all hurrying up with the business? Je bills ada, they build sufficient time within the purview of the jurisdiction, whatever is there within the business rule. त्या पद्धतीने जावपाक जाय. रिप्लाय पड दिताय. 48 hours मध्ये हे हाडपाक जाय. So this session, primarily we need answers from the government on primarily whether this bill will be introduced, will it be bought, or only they want to do time pass. Number 2, decorum houseache je pod speaker will he warn all the legislator, I'm not saying even ruling and opposition, can you do these gestures? Is it permitted in this house? Despite I writing an email on 26 January, I have received absolutely no reply to my email. So this, since the speaker is the custodian of the house, these are important issues that needs to be taken. And जे आमकां आन्सर जाय as members of legislative assembly, आमचो right protect करपाक, or whether we will be dragged here also in the house, this also needs to be आमगे protection or speaker आमकां दितलो or दिवचो ना हो प्रश्न आमी स्पीकरा मुखार घातलेलो आसा.
Union of Vijay Sardesai will be the part of the opposition right now, because yesterday we have seen
See. This is very, very clear. We come here to fight for Goenka. Please do not put words in my mouth. Every MLA in the opposition's role is to basically highlight issues in the interest of the state. I have talked to you specifically on BAC, specifically on the letter written to the speaker. These are issues. It is my right as leader of opposition to stand for every member in the house if their rights are curtailed. As leader of opposition, it is my duty to highlight to the speaker of gestures. Yeah, to me, speaker you all should ask him that leader of opposition has raised this query. I request you all whether decorum will be there in the house henceforth. These are serious things. This is not how a legislative assembly functions. This is how a market or a place. This is not where this decorum, such type of decorum is there. It is on record, and you all have highlighted it.
No, but my question is, sir, which will be the part of the alliance?
United Opposition.
See, so united, there is opposition, and we have to be united. That is all that I can say. So everyone has to unitedly fight against this government.
Okay, thank you.